Most crypto beginners don't understand the difference between keeping crypto on an exchange and keeping crypto in the decentralized wallets. Of course, not only beginners, most of you guys don't understand the difference between decentralized wallet and centralized wallet. So let me explain. Think of a decentralized exchange wallet like keeping your money in the bank. When your money is in the bank gives you an app, the bank helps you send and receive money, the bank protects your account, and if you forget your password, you can go through a recovery. That's you can recover your password at any time, right? That's how an exchange works. So when you keep your crypto on platforms like Binance, Bitget, Bybit, OKX, and so on and so forth, or pretty much any centralized exchange, you are using their wallet system. You know, it is very, very simple. It is very convenient. You can buy crypto, you can sell crypto, you can use their P2Ps, trade spot, trade futures, use their end product in the case of Binance. And if you're a beginner, this feels so easy and so homely, all right? But here's the catch. The exchange controls your private keys, meaning the crypto is in your account, but the exchange is the one managing your wallet infrastructure, okay? Managing your keys and everything. They have control over your money. That's why people say, not your keys, not your coins, all right? Now, let's talk about decentralized wallets. A decentralized wallet is like keeping your own money in your own house, all right? Or inside your own money box or pockets or whatever, all right? Basically, where you alone hold the key. Example, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom Wallet, Rabbi, name them, all right? You guys know the meme guys, the meme coin guys, you know all the wallets, all right? Or basically pretty much any other Web3 wallets that you know, all right? With a centralized wallet, you control your seed phrase, you control your private keys, and you can connect to DeFi platforms, okay? You can borrow, you can earn, you can stake, and you can earn in APY. You can basically buy early tokens, all right? And not only that, you can use your decentralized wallets to hold NFTs. And the interesting part is nobody needs your approval for transactions. That is real control. You control from the start to finish, like owning your own back in your own house. But listen, more control also means what? More responsibility. Okay, so if you lose your seed phrase, nobody can reset it for you. Nobody can help you. No Trust Wallet. No one can help you. If you lose it, you've lost your money, okay? And if you send crypto to the wrong wallet, nobody can reverse it. And the scary part is, if you connect your wallet to a scam website, you can lose everything, all right? So let's make it simple. Exchange wallet means more convenience, more support, easier for beginners, but pretty much less control, right? Less control. So centralized wallets means more control, more freedom, more access to Web3 products in deeper realm Web3, all right? But more responsibility, all right? Now, which one should you use depends on what you are doing or your level, all right? If you're just starting off with crypto, buying and selling, using P2P, or learning how the market works, then I think you should definitely settle for a centralized exchange because it may be easier. But if you want to hold for long term or want to use DeFi, interact with Web3 products, buy tokens early, that is take advantage of early tokens coming, or have fully control over your asset, then a decentralized wallet makes sense. So to answer your question, you can be smart and use both, okay? Keep money for trading on exchanges and keep long-term assets in your own wallets, okay? Because the goal is not to choose blindly or to choose size because you want to, all right? The goal is to understand the difference and know how to use it to suit whatever you want to do, okay? So exchange is like a bank, and a centralized wallet is like your personal money in your own money box, okay? One gives you convenience and the other gives you what? Control, all right? But you know, in crypto, control always comes with some kind of responsibilities, right? So this is not a financial advice. I'm only breaking it down so you understand what is happening and how it works, okay? If you want me to show you how to create a decentralized wallet safely, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you have any question you want me to answer in the video, you can also let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget that our masterclass, our new cohort is coming very soon. We are almost done with the previous cohort. The next one is coming, all right? So please make sure you register and register quickly so that you learn crypto from the very basics to the pro, all right? It's always good to learn the basics and know what you are doing before you even choose to buy your first coin. Other than that, you may buy and wouldn't even know how to sell, okay? And you know, that doesn't make sense. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. My name is Ekowreel and I'm out.